Dr. Williams here, and I'm making this short video just to show you how to read the feedback on your paper. So when you look in the assignments folder, you will see that I have provided an attachment of your paper, and within your paper you will find my comments and feedback. Now, just to be sure that you're able to view it, you want to do a couple things. When you open your document in Word, you want to go to Review, and you want to select All Markup, and you also want to select Track Changes. And so, as you can see, now the student can see all of the comments that I made on the sides, and any changes that I've made within the actual document becomes clear. So just to go through that one more time, when you open your document, it will probably look a lot like this. It may have the comment bubbles, but you won't be able to see things, and you won't be able to see the changes. So in order to see the changes, you want to go to the Review tab. You then want to select from the drop-down menu All Markup. Okay, and then that shows you the various comments that I've made, as well as the in-text changes that are made. If you have any questions on the feedback, just feel free to send me an email, and we can spend some time going over that. Thank you.